students think that oral fluency is how fast you speak. If you're speaking very fast, you think that oral fluency is that. But oral fluency has nothing to do with your speed. It is flow. How do we create flow? Flow is created when you group 6 words together without taking any small pauses. All right? So your task is to make those 6 words and then pause, 6 words and pause. That's what creates your fluency. Right? And don't worry, I'll give you an example to help you understand. So let's say I have this, all right? So let's say this is my read aloud, okay? Now, if let's say I read it very fast, but I'm taking pauses after every word. So I go like, all vowels and consonants are phrased in a manner that is easily understood by regular speakers of the language. Do I have flow? I have speed, but that's not going to give me marks for fluency. So fluency is when you chunk 6 words together and then maybe take a small pause. So for example, all vowels and consonants are produced in a manner that is easily understood by regular speakers of the language. Understood? Now, even if I'm speaking a bit slowly, because I have flow, it'll still be faster than the way I read earlier. Understand? So this is what you'll need to do. And a lot of students misunderstand this. Okay? It's not about how fast you're reading. It's about having those group of words we call chunking. So whenever you do read a lot, you need to do chunking. Am I clear? Up to 6 words. Doesn't matter whether there's a comma or not. You can read up to 6 words, take a small pause. Right? And you don't have to count like, oh, it is not that precise. It's not like you have to exactly have 6 words and then take a pause. No, you can do 7, 8, you can do 5, 6. Anywhere you think that, okay, this is enough, you can just stop. But remember that you need to chunk words.